What is the Pomodoro Technique?
The Pomodoro Technique is a popular time management method designed to boost concentration. It breaks your work into focused intervals, usually 25 minutes each, called Pomodoros. After each interval, you take a short break to refresh your mind. This structured approach helps minimize distractions and keeps you motivated throughout your tasks.
How to time your focus sessions?
To start, choose a task and set a timer for 25 minutes. Work steadily until the timer rings, then mark off one Pomodoro. Take a 5-minute break before beginning the next Pomodoro. After completing 4 Pomodoros, treat yourself to a longer break, usually 15 to 30 minutes, to fully recharge before resuming work.
Tracking your Pomodoros effectively.
Keep track of your sessions using a notebook, planner, or a Pomodoro app. For each successful Pomodoro, make a check mark or tally. Note down interruptions or distractions as they occur. Regularly tracking sessions provides valuable insights into your work patterns and highlights areas to improve your focus.
Analyzing your attention span.
At the end of your day or week, review your log of Pomodoros. Identify when you felt most focused or easily distracted. Notice which activities caused the most interruptions. This analysis helps you understand your optimal work periods and recognize which tasks are the most demanding on your attention.
Tips for improving your Pomodoro practice.
Experiment with session lengths. Some people focus best with slightly shorter or longer intervals. Remove common distractions before starting. Build short, rewarding breaks into your routine. Over time, refining your Pomodoro technique can help you get more done, feel less overwhelmed, and make steady progress toward your goals.